Welcome to my Patreon page. My name is Lapres. I'm a full-time graphic illustrator and printer. I do crafts, traditional artwork, as well as digital. Patreon has given me an outlet to be able to showcase what I do, my craft, my artwork, and all the fun stuff too. I strive to produce high-quality artwork for commissioners and patrons alike. With the help of Patreon, I've been able to do things I wouldn't have been able to do previously, and I love getting to try new things with my patrons' characters. By becoming a patron, you're giving me access to be more creative. And to say thank you, I have various tiers here on Patreon, which include patron discounts for commissioned work, bespoke printing items just for patrons, priority access for commission slots, monthly mailed items which include metal trading cards and stickers, there's access to all of my line arts for all my adoptable characters, as well as a monthly giveaway which can range from artwork to printed items, and a place to hang with me. I'm a big worker. And with that, I hope to see you around.